Doyoung, Jaehyun, and Jungwoo formed a freaking unit. And it's called DOJAEJUNG NCT DOJAEJUNG. Wow, I can't say that 3 times fast. But Perfume. Look at them. Why do I feel like just from this like screen like pause screen right here, paused frame? What do I feel like from this pause frame? It feels like it's gonna be a like another F-boy anthem. NCT are known for making some F-boy anthems. I mean, like, you know, just get down like body roll type of ish. I haven't seen any like teasers or anything of this. I knew about it, but I never seen or heard anything about it. So I'm just going in here like fully blind. Yeah. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Okay. Perfume. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh, off the. I'm not ready. Off the bat. Up my alley. Yeah, you better sing. In a tub? What did I say? What did I say? Alright. Let me prepare myself. Do I got water? Barely. Oh, he's in the water. In the bed? Sir. He's being playful. Hold up. Wait. Wow, not the giggles. Look at this. Wait, hold on. No, let me go back. I'm sorry. Reading books with my clothes on in the bathtub full of water and soap. This is my favorite pastime too. Tip of your nose. What in the fantasy? This feels like a dream. Put in the trace. Leaving your perfume all over me? Okay. Oh, I like how it just got hyped. Ooh. This unit is dangerous. Stop, don't whistle at me. Ooh. Okay, this is our playlist. Oh, you better body roll. You better. Let me see that again. Ooh, and he just like toss his shirt to the side, or it's like his Ooh, it's so hypnotizing the way they sing it. So you can't forget me. Mixed with the smallest side. Oh! I don't know if you're wearing headphones, but that that man's been speaking in both of my ears like separately. That was nice. I like it when they do that. Thank you. Oh, what are they in trouble for? Being very good looking and talented. Rich fragrance. Hold up, what? Your breath is the sweetest. It is perfumed with me, they can tell. Are they? There's so much happening, sorry. One drip, drop. Drop, drip, drop. Basically on. Better hold tight for real. This could be a whole perfume commercial. SM probably is selling a perfume. Ooh. Hey. Damn, they sparkly. Ah, that's so short. Kind of wish it was a little bit longer. but I feel like I feel like it was just right. Who is this? Me? SM jump scare. From the beginning, I already knew I was like in trouble. Who, if anyone ever starts any music video or song with like that type of vocal, you in trouble. Look at this, look at this. Waking up like you next to them, the boyfriend experience, especially this scene. He knows he killed. He slayed it. That outfit's fire though, by the way, that shirt. Even though it's like drenched in water right now. Yes sir, you get that big stretch. Merging with your breath. Ooh. Is it kicking? Hey, yo. Yo, whoever produced this beat, let's go. Come to our... basically just leaving traces of them on you, kind of like Perfume. I became more of a guy that like sprays it on my wrist, Perfume, and then puts it all over myself, than more of like the like, I don't know. I guess it depends on the perfume itself or cologne. Woo! Bro, NCT always knows how to bring it back, like back to 100 each time when they come back. At least for me. For their units. Such a body rolling song. They made a body rolling song. Legit, if they sold the cologne with this, unless it did, it'd probably make sales. Woo! Let's go. Whoa. Hold tight. Damn. Luxurious. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of this music video and song. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna guess, but please put in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.